Hey everyone, the Baseus M2s Pro, the company's most recent true wireless earphones TWS, has been released. It offers notable improvements in terms of connectivity, sound quality, and noise cancellation. Let's see its main features. A robust active noise cancellation technology with a stated noise reduction depth of up to 52 decibels is featured in the Baseus M2s Pro. Compared to its predecessor, the M2s, which provided 33 decibels of noise suppression, this is a significant improvement. This improvement, according to Baseus, is the result of an improved algorithm and a broader noise reduction frequency spectrum that reaches 5000 Hz. In terms of sound quality, the M2s Pro is high-res certified and supports 96 kHz and 24-bit lossless audio, ensuring detailed and accurate sound reproduction. LHDC decoding is also supported, allowing for high bitrate transmission and preserving the richness of the original audio source. For an immersive listening experience, Baseus introduces Baseus Immersive Spatial Sound technology with the M2s Pro. This technology creates a panoramic soundstage, enhancing the enjoyment of music, movies, and games. Connectivity is enhanced with Bluetooth 5.4, offering lower latency and a more stable connection. The M2s Pro also features an AI wind noise reduction algorithm that intelligently detects and counters wind noise for clear calls, particularly in windy conditions. Battery life is impressive, with the M2s Pro lasting up to 7 hours on a single charge, with active noise cancellation turned off. The charging case provides an additional 28 hours, totaling 35 hours of playtime. Fast charging is supported, providing 2 hours of listening time with just a 10-minute charge. Early adopters can receive a discounted price of 279 yuan or about $38 on the Baseus M2s Pro earbuds during their initial launch period. The M2s Pro's regular price is 329 yuan or about $45 after this offer time. Customers now have simple access to this improved TWS alternative from Baseus, as these earphones are now sold on JD.com. The Baseus M2s Pro is an elegant in-ear with a stem appearance for a comfortable fit. It is available in two color options, Interstellar Black and Moon White. Through the companion Baseus app, users may modify spatial sound effects, change noise suppression levels, and access additional features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.